Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize personal loans with SoFi easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the official SoFi website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Log into your account to access the personal loans section. Click on the personal loans tab in the main menu. Review the different loan options available. Select the type of personal loan that best suits your needs. Fill out the required application form with personal information. Make sure to enter your income and employment details accurately. Review your credit score if available. Assess your loan requirements, including the amount you wish to borrow. Consider the loan terms offered, such as repayment duration and interest rates. Check if you qualify for any promotional rates or discounts. Submit your application once all information is entered. Wait for SoFi to review your application, which usually takes a few minutes. Once approved, review the loan agreement carefully. Make sure to understand the fees, interest rates, and repayment schedule. Accept the loan offer if you are satisfied with the terms. Set up automatic payments to avoid missing any due dates. Use the loan funds for your intended purpose. Monitor your loan balance and payment progress regularly. If needed, explore options for refinancing in the future for better rates. Stay informed about any changes or offers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.